So we've had big doings at our house. We decided to get rid of the tree in the back of our yard, and also in a deal with our neighbors to get rid of one of his trees that basically drops stuff on our roof all the time and was a pain in the ass for him too. So that guy up in the tree is Joe Saunders, and he's trimming back one of my neighbor's trees so that he can take out mine. All these trees, the one he's limbing and the two he's going to cut down, are all well over 80-90 feet tall. Next he's going to take out my neighbor's tree, and we got a little footage of this, so here it comes.
Looks good! Got the gutter a little bit.
Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So he managed to miss my house by a couple of inches, and this is what we're left with. I have to split this into firewood, and boy does that look like a job. Wow. But I'll get to it in the next few weeks, and we're all set for the winter.